Hey everyone, I got so many new orchids in the last few days, and I gotta show them to you, but I got some more boxes today, and we're gonna unbox them. Most of them are brassavola orchids, which I'm super excited about. I got this guy yesterday. This is a brassavola cordata. No fragrance right now, but last night, oh my gosh, I brought it into my room. It was so nice. So cute flowers, but that's for a separate video. Sneak peek. So this is one box. This one seller had to ship 3 different boxes, and they have 3 different boxes. So let's open this one. Okay. Here we go. Let me pause this. I'll just get it open. Okay, so I just got it open. I just got this side undone. And let's see what is in here. Lots of packaging. The newspaper feels a little moist, which isn't that good. Because I definitely want them to be wet. I want them to be a little dry. But that's no problem. I'm just gonna have to stick them in front of a fan. Oh my god, this one's big. Wow! This is one plant, too. Oh, look at the little leaves sticking out. Oh my goodness. Okay, now there is foam all over the place. Let's unwrap this one. It's like Christmas. This is a brassavola here. Look at this little foam they put around. That's a good idea. Oh my goodness. It's a little wet, which isn't the best there. But that's, oh, here he is. This is a pretty rare, but a beautiful species. This is brassavola tuberculata norm Dulder. So, look at that. Look at his leaves here. He's so cool. Nice pot. The roots are starting to wrap around. So it looks like he's been in here for a while. Yeah, really excited. That's one. Now I'm going to clean this mess up. Alright, so here's that was quite a mess. Here's the next box. Pretty big. So we're going to see. Alright, let me just get the top. Alright, well, I might as well talk to you. So that brassavola tuberculata, they're really neat plants. They are not commonly found in cultivation. You can't find them sometimes, but even at specialized orchid shops, they might not have tuberculata, because that's a pretty rare one. So I'm really excited about that, and it's a good size, as you can see. So I'm just trying to keep it all in the garbage here. Should have got a bigger garbage. We're gonna need a bigger garbage. Wow, there's a lot of packaging in here. I'm just reaching in. Alright, maybe I can dig through this now. Here's something. It's stuck in there. There's so much of this packaging. Peanuts. Crushing them. Okay. I'm sorry, this is crazy. Okay. Screw it. Jeez. Stuff everywhere. I don't care. I'll just sweep it up. Okay. There's one. Oh, wow. This is bigger than I thought. And because I'm addicted to orchids, especially brassavolas, this is another brassavola orchid. This one's mounted. So here's the tag. Jiminy Cricket. It would help if it was this way. So we're going to look at it. Ready? We'll work at it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, he's so cute. Unfortunately, there was a spike coming. Didn't make it. But look at it. Oh, wow. That's a really neat plant. That'll look... Oh. Look at those roots. They've just, like, gone all on that... That's awesome. Good for you. You're cool. I like you. I like you. I'm just gonna... Kitchen decorations, just hanging on the chair. Here's the invoice. So I got... The next one's a secret, but it's another brassavola. Jiminy Cricket and Brassavola tuberculata. That's about it. Don't really need that now, do I? Most of this should go on recycling. I'm gonna have to sort through this later. Okay, next one. Bum bum. Ah. This one I think is also mounted. Oh my god, it is like Christmas, except Christmas so's the mail. There should be like Christmas mail time. That doesn't make sense. Christmas mail. Ah! Try to do this carefully. We don't want to break anything. It's such a big plant. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at it. I thought the other one was root crazy. This is brassavola little stars. You're so cute. You are so cute. Little stars. You are adorable. Okay, so that's those. I'm going to stop this, clean up, and we're going to get through the next next two. I wish there were three, but there's two. I am so bad. I'm such an alcoholic. It really is an addiction, but, you know, it's a fun addiction. Orchids. All right, I'll see you.